Hi everyone! Today we are making the mini bag. The mini bag is a small bag with minimal hardware and optional quilting. It is a great size for when you only need to carry the essentials, and it is also a great size for children. The bag can be carried by hand using the top handle or worn as a crossbody or over the shoulder using the adjustable strap. Inside the main compartment is a zipper pocket with no visible zipper tape edges, and a mesh pocket for smaller items. The assembly of this bag ensures no saggy lining because binding is used. An optional sturdy bottom to prevent the bottom of the bag from sagging as well is also included in the pattern, which you can get at sewnideas.com. I hope you liked the video and enjoy making your own mini bag. Let's get started.